got powder in my hands. Welcome back to my channel. All right, I'm trying to do this. I've tried it like 10 times. I've stuffed it up every time. All right, okay, ready? Let's see if we can do it. Oh my God. 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 My phone's gonna be stuffed from this. This TikTok better go viral.
Wow, that went well. Oh my gosh.
Great. Let's see if it looks good. You're joking, it didn't work. We have to do it again? Bro! So the current situation is, I'm looking for this TikTok I want to do. So basically she just goes through all the things. She takes a selfie of herself at the start. Draw me a makeup look. Okay, let's do it. And she takes it on Snapchat because that's the Snapchat thing. Draw me a makeup look. Save. So there's my photo. Draw me a makeup look. This is the first one I got sent with glitter. Now I'm going to use the new Carnival palette and I'm going to review this at the same time. So this is the Carnival XL Pro palette by Stacey Makeup. So she's a really amazing makeup artist. Beautiful packaging, unreal. So many stunning colors. Stunning. So let's just see if we can create this glitter look. I'm gonna go blue, green, yellow, orange. BPerfect palette is so pigmented. I'm gonna pop on the P. Louise first. Now I probably should have wiped my whole face, but I'll do it after with a makeup wipe. Oh, the moment of truth! The palette. So it's like opposite to what I would kind of do it, but we're gonna do it because the children have requested it. Make waves, the hype, keen. Okay, let's just show you again. We're doing make waves. Now, keep in mind, this is the first time I've ever used this palette. All right. Wow, very pigmented. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna like fully be winging this look as well because it's like done by someone else. Like, how weird is this? This is weird. Yeah, wow, this coloring is unreal. Look at that. That's just like a few dabs. And the color is chronic. I actually can't. I love the creation of this client. Girl, it's the vibe. I literally can't go out with this, but that's fine. So that's the blue part so far. Now, what did she put next? This is so weird doing someone else's look. All right, the hype. This one, we go. It's so weird doing someone else's look. It's so weird. Oh my God, this palette is crazy. Look how it blends. Stop it. It just went over the top with a breeze. Sorry. Wish I had a bigger eye. But I don't. Whoa. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. How low they are. You're okay. Sort of. I'm sure. I I just blended over the top of each other. I didn't even have to try. God, what? I'm just gonna wear this to Cronulla, guys. Oh, okay, so we're going with Keen now. Wait, is that the next color she chose? Stop, okay, it is. Oh, shivers, it's so big you can't hold it with one hand. That one there. Keen, 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 Keen. Alrighty, we'll do it. Okay, the yellow is slightly more difficult. Wow! Holy bejeebers. Holy bejeebers. Gotta fix up that green. Joe! Definitely gonna get a boyfriend with this coloured eyes. Hello darling, what are you doing here? That was the last pickup line. No, the last funny pickup line was, what was it? You look like my ex-girlfriend from Dean. We love Dean. Dean's a friend of mine, but he cracks me up. Dean, stop trying to ask me out. I'm not going. Holy hell, this is crazy. Why do I get so excited over this? That is the color. Okay, hi. Welcome back to my channel where we do things that are crazy. For TikTok, people. This is all because of TikTok. Hey, really test my skill if you know what I mean. Oh my God, this is so heavy, this palette. I need to put it down my arm. It's dying. Oh, okay. Whoa, it's a backwards rainbow, baby. Whoa, hello there. I like that it's like flying out into my head. I kind of like that. Like I kind of want to intensify it flying out into my head. Well, that's step one, guys. This palette is so good though. Like I didn't even have to try then, like to get that. So this is the start. So I'm gonna put, maybe I'll put like a dark wing liner. Reckon? Like a big black flick. Like that was just too easy to blend. Like now what? Why was that so quick? What do we, like what do we do now? Like, I'm sorry, but it's already blended out. I'm actually unsure like how that even happened because I've spent like 10 seconds on it. Some bougies. You can't do this look and not have lashes like this. So I'm just gonna use the quick flick. Right, I'm gonna wait to stick these on. It looks pretty good with the lash. Can you see that? Ah! So the glitter part that I'm gonna do, it's just hard because maybe that, but I think that's pink. Fair play maybe. So there's this fair play color just here. And I think I'm just gonna pop that in this inner corner, like see just here. But what I wanna do first is just get some of this base and put it there because it's too blue, the pigment's way too strong, which is not a bad thing, it's a really good thing, but it won't show. So you just wanna pop it there, like that. And then you want to grab Fair Play. Oh, I also want Fair Play up there. Well, this is a water primer. Let's try it. Let's see. It's a Smashbox. Prime my skin with that. Pop on the Sephora. I didn't even know if this color's right for me. Water primer, I just don't know how I feel about that. This could be like a full product review. Oh no, it's too slippery under this. Way too slippery. Like the brush is sliding. Looks good though, the color. Do you think if I went out in my local area like this? Yeah, with the water primer, my whole thing's slipping. I probably should have pressed it in with a beauty blender first. I'm just gonna press in more of this. It's very tacky. This, like, sticking to my face. Alright, let's use the Shape Tape. I wanna make it like super strong. Let's do it. I haven't used this one in a while. Contour Cosmetic. Yes, what a vibe. So Contour Cosmetics I've used for a long time, but I haven't used it in a while. I just forget how good it is. I kind of get stuck on, you know, certain products. Love the contour though. Oh, too much, Jess. Yet again. Way too much. So far so good. I feel like this eye is better than this eye. This eye is like missing something. Let's try this. This is a L'Oreal one. So I'm just gonna set my face a little bit. Like the purpose of this video is more the eyes. I want to try the BH like side stuff in here on my face. So I'm going to try this color here, which is Gold Luxe. And I want to try it on the side of my cheeks and see what it's like as a highlight. Oh, we got a winner. We've got one. Oh my God, stop. Now, you know what I'm gonna do is use that Fair Play that I used on my eyes over the top a little bit. She's bright, she's colorful. All right, so we're gonna do the colors all underneath. Now, these pigments are so good that like the color, you just need to press it on so lightly. But I'm trying to just keep that really whiteness in that inner corner, which is quite hard because they're so pigmented. Gotta change brush every time you go into a new color, otherwise it doesn't work. I hope this looks as good on camera as it does in real life, because it looks so cool in real life and sometimes it's so hard to capture. This is Vamp from LA Girl. It's pretty dark. That looks scary. No. Okay guys, so literally the BPerfect palette was so unreal. It was so easy to use. The packaging is like, what? Okay, it was just so easy to use. I can't even fault it. Like, packaging's unreal. The layout is beautiful. Like, the colors are all sectioned in their colors. It was easy to blend. No fallout, like when you tapped off the brush. Nothing came down onto the face. It blended into each other easily. Like, I could even use like a crap brush and it still would have been really good. I'm just like obsessed with it. The colors are great. This look is crazy. This is actually a look for TikTok from that little video I showed you at the start. So well done to the girl who sent me this. I've got 5 more to do of these, but what? This is like, yeah, what a vibe, hey? Like, so cool, just putting my skills to use. So that was unreal, but yeah, just loved it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time for another cool bougie look. Mwah.